Hi, I'm Chris. In this video, you'll learn how to connect Lightspeed Voice with EZLynx to streamline your client interactions. From automated call logging to AI-powered summaries and sentiment analysis, we'll show you how to bring smarter communication into your EZLynx workflow, saving time and keeping your team focused on what matters.
To get started, set up your Lightspeed Voice Orbit application on your computer. You can easily download it by clicking the gear icon in Quantum and choosing Download Orbit. Once you've installed the software, log in using your Lightspeed Voice credentials. To integrate with EZLynx, click on your icon, select Integrations from the drop-down menu, then click the plus icon. This will take you to the Integration Setup page within Quantum. In Quantum, go to Management, then Lead Settings, and select Integrations. To create a new integration, click the plus icon in the upper right corner. Enter EZLynx as the integration name and choose EZLynx as the vendor. Next, decide which users in your office should have access. Under the Users section, click the toggle next to any user you'd like to include. To give access to everyone, click Select All, then use the three-dot menu to assign them all at once. Now it's time to authenticate your EZLynx connection. In the My Authentication box at the top right, click Request Access and enter your EZLynx username and EZLynx email. If you're not sure what those are, EZLynx support can provide them for you. Once that's filled in, click the link provided to open your EZLynx dashboard. Or go directly to app.ezlynx.com and log in with your EZLynx credentials. Inside EZLynx, click the Marketplace icon on the left, then Home. Use the Marketplace search bar to find Lightspeed Voice, then open the integration. From there, click Actions, choose Add Integration, check I agree, and click Save. That's all it takes to complete the EZLynx side of the setup. Head back to your Lightspeed Voice dashboard and click Done. Lightspeed Voice will send you a confirmation once the integration is complete, and you'll see authenticated users listed as integrated. Before you start receiving call pop-ups, make sure your Orbit call pop settings are adjusted. You can manage this on the integration page or inside the Orbit app under Integrations. Choose from None, Inbound, Outbound, or All, with Inbound selected by default. Make sure all triggers are enabled below to get the full benefit of this integration. If you're using our AI assistant Nova, this is where you unlock the next level. Turn on smart triggers to automatically sync call summaries and sentiment analysis directly to your EZLynx contacts. When a call comes in and you answer, EZLynx will automatically open to the caller's contact info. No searching, no switching tabs. Once the call ends, you'll see all the details, including a direct link to the recording. If you're using Lightspeed Voice's AI features, you'll also see auto-generated sentiment and a smart summary, a quick way to catch the key takeaways from every call. This information is also attached to the pinned window on the account overview.
This integration is all about making your workflow smoother and keeping you in sync with every client interaction. When your tools talk to each other, things just work better, and that's exactly what Lightspeed Voice is here to do. Want to see how this setup can support your team? Call us at 877-97-VOICE or email info@lightspeedvoice.com. Thank you for choosing Lightspeed Voice, where we're more than just talk.